Everyone is expecting an AI video generator similar to Google Veo 3.
Although we've found similar AI tools, most of them don't offer a lip sync feature.
But I finally found an exact AI that creates ultra-realistic videos with perfect lip sync, just like Veo 3.
And that's not all. We already know Midjourney is the king of image generation, CapCut rules video editing, and 11 Labs dominates text-to-speech. But what if I told you that one AI can do it all, including image generation, video generation, text-to-speech, text-to-music, video editing? And you can even create an entire drama series with episodes, just like a Netflix web series with this AI. Yeah, that's true. In today's video, I'm going to show you the ultimate AI tool that includes all these powerful features. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. The AI tool we'll be using today is SkyReels AI, a powerful platform that brings together all the essential AI features. All you have to do is click the link in my description to head over to the website. Once you're in, you'll receive 25 free credits. Since I'm using the Pro version, I have more credits than you. When you look at the website interface, you'll notice this AI has tons of powerful features, and we'll explore them one by one. But first, let's start by creating AI videos like Google Veo 3. Click on AI video. Now, you can create a video in two ways. One, by generating a video from text, and two, by generating a video from an image. We'll go with the second option because this way, I'll show you how to create images for your videos in this AI platform. Click on Frame, then hit Generate an image. Now, type your prompt. I've already shared the best prompts for image creation in my WhatsApp channel. The link is in the description, so go and grab it. Or if you prefer, just comment prompt and I'll send you the link directly. Once you get the prompt, copy and paste it into the input box. If you have a reference image, that's even better. It helps the AI match the style more accurately. I have one, so I'm uploading it here. Next, choose your image style. I'll go with realistic. And then click Create. That's it. Within seconds, you'll get a set of 4 images. Once it's created, click this icon to view in the zoom mode. Look at these images, all looking very realistic, and most importantly, closely resembling our reference image. Okay, now let's convert one of those images into a video. I'll pick the first one. When you hover your cursor over the image, you'll see an option called To Video. Click on that, and it will automatically transfer your image to the video section. Use the same prompt we used earlier, choose the mode, set the video duration, resolution, and then click Create. That's it, your video will be generated. Now, let's say the video is just 5 seconds long and you want to make it 10 seconds. No problem. Just click on the Extend Your Video option. This will take you to the Extend section. Select the additional time. I'll go with 5 more seconds, but you can extend the video up to 30 seconds. Then hit Create. Your extended video will be ready in no time. Now let's add lip sync, just like in Google Veo 3. First, download the video. Then click on the lip sync option and upload your downloaded video. Type the dialogue you want the character to speak. Now, this is a crucial part. Make sure to select lip sync as the mode. And now, choose a voice. You'll have plenty of options, and each voice is highly realistic, sounding just like a real human. You can even play and preview the voice to see how it sounds.
How shameless of you to come here and beg us for money. You're still thinking about your ex-wife? Do I need to remind you this is your family now? George, without me, you'd have nothing.
How shameless of you to come here and beg us for money. You're still thinking about your ex-wife? Do I need to remind you this is your family now?
Once you've selected your voice, click Create, and that's it. In just a few seconds, you'll get the final output.
Can you believe this? I'm a stylish, confident woman with golden curls, tearing up the highway on a Royal Enfield Bullet.
Look at that, everything is perfect. She's riding a bike and speaking with flawless lip sync, just like in Google Veo 3. Apart from this feature, you can also add effects like Venom, all by uploading a single image. Let me show you how. Switch to the Effects section, click on the effect. I'm going with Venom mode. Upload your picture here, and then click Create. That's it. Your video will be ready. And with that, we've completed one set of AI features. Next, we'll move on to how to create a Netflix-style drama series, and trust me, it's super simple. First, go to the home page and click on AI Drama. To begin, we need a script idea to generate the drama. If you already have a script, you can upload it directly. If not, click on More to explore and choose from existing ideas. Since I don't have a script ready, I'm picking one from the available ideas to make things easier and click Confirm. Now, we have to choose how many episodes you want to create. For this demo, I'll go with a single episode drama, then click Generate. And just like that, your drama script is ready. If you'd like to make changes, you can click the pencil icon to edit. If you're happy with it, go ahead and click Generate Character. The platform will now begin creating a character for your drama. You can even preview the voice of your character.
How shameless of you to come here and beg us for money.
How shameless of you to come here and beg us for money. You're still thinking about your ex-wife? Do I need to remind you this is your family now?
Don't like it? No worries, just click the switch icon. You'll get access to a wide range of AI-generated voices that sound super realistic, almost like 11 Labs. If you're not happy with the character's appearance or style, simply click on Change Look. On the left-hand side, you'll find options to modify their style, emotion, outfit, and more. I'm satisfied with this look, so I'll move forward. Once everything looks great, click on Generate Storyboard, and boom! Your video scenes will be ready in a few minutes. Now, click on Preview. You'll notice it shows images, and there's no dialogue playing yet, right? That's because we haven't converted it into a video. You have two options. Click One-Click Video to generate the full entire episode automatically, or use the To Video option for each scene. For this tutorial, I'll go with the second option because it takes time to convert the whole episode if we choose the first option. So for you, I'll convert a few scenes into video. Let's see how it looks. Once your video is ready, go ahead and play it.
Mr. Blackwood, these documents need your signature. That wouldn't be professional.
Now it looks amazing, complete with dialogues and visuals. And just like that, we've finished the second set of AI features. Let's move on to the third and final part, SkyReels Inbuilt Video Editor. You can access the editor in two ways. You can either click directly on Edit Video here, or return to the home page and click on AI Tools to see all available features, from sound effects to music generation. Everything you need is available through these AI tools. And if you look in the corner, you'll notice the video editor. Click on that. Once you enter, the interface is just like CapCut, very easy to use. You can do everything, add effects, transitions, filters, animations, and more. Let me show you how. Just click on Import. Now, upload your video, then drag and drop the video scenes into the editing timeline. First, apply some filters. Then let's add effects. And finally, add transitions between the scenes. Once everything is perfect, simply click on Export As, and then once more on Download, and that's it. Your final output is ready.
Can you believe this? I'm a stylish, confident woman with golden curls, tearing up the highway on a Royal Enfield Bullet.
That's all for today's tutorial. I'll be back soon with another exciting AI tool in the next video.